Join me as I try to make $10,000 per month in 2024 using this simple trick I just discovered. Did you know that over 80% of people who aim to achieve financial freedom give up within the first year? What if I told you there's a simple way to make $10,000 a month without needing a huge investment or advanced skills? Stick around, because this could change your life. Welcome back to the channel, where we talk about turning big dreams into achievable realities. Today, we're diving into how you can start earning $10,000 a month in 2025. You've probably heard promises like this before, but this isn't about quick scams or unrealistic goals. It's about leveraging proven strategies that anyone can apply. By the end of this video, I'll reveal a simple trick that successful people are using right now to hit consistent 5-figure months. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's face it, most people never achieve financial independence. Why? Because they get overwhelmed by challenges like 1. Not knowing where to start. 2. Lacking the resources to scale their efforts. 3. Feeling stuck in the same 9-to-5 grind with no clear exit plan. I've been there, and I know how frustrating it is. You might have tried side hustles, freelance gigs, or even investing, only to realize that the results don't match the effort. But here's the good news, there's a smarter way to overcome these hurdles, and I'll walk you through it. Think about how people traditionally try to make money. They get stuck in one of these traps. 1. Starting businesses with high upfront costs. 2. Freelancing endlessly without scaling their income. 3. Jumping into markets they don't fully understand. These methods often fall short because they lack scalability and consistency. For example, relying solely on freelance gigs limits your income to the hours you work. Or starting a business without market research can lead to quick failures. But what if you could combine modern tools with timeless principles to create an income stream that grows even while you sleep? That's exactly what the trick I'm about to share can help you achieve. So, what's the trick to making $10,000 per month in 2025? It's building scalable online systems. Whether it's through 1. Selling digital products like courses or templates. 2. Leveraging e-commerce with dropshipping or private labeling. 3. Creating content that generates passive income through ads and sponsorships. The beauty of these strategies lies in automation and scalability. For example, I know someone who turned their knowledge of budgeting into a $50 digital course. They made $20,000 in 1 month using just social media ads to promote it. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter and setting up systems that work for you even when you're not actively involved. To wrap it up, we've talked about the challenges most people face when trying to achieve financial independence, why traditional methods often fail, and how scalable systems can change the game. Remember, the key is to focus on providing value, leveraging tools like automation, and scaling your efforts. The trick isn't a secret, it's about taking consistent, strategic action starting today. And trust me, by 2025, you could be looking back at this moment as the turning point in your journey to financial freedom. If this video gave you a spark of inspiration, leave a comment below and share your thoughts or questions about these strategies. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more tips on achieving your financial goals. Let's make 2025 your most profitable year yet.